Hi guys, welcome back. Today I have a 4K dashcam. This is on Amazon at the moment for £60 and I think it is a good price for what you get. This is called the Azdome GS63H. It has 4K capabilities, has built-in GPS, also built-in Wi-Fi, and has a huge 170-degree wide angle view. And it's also got your parking monitor, your G sensor and loop recording, as well as other handy stuff as well. It's got a micro SD card slot with a power button. It's also got HDMI out, so you can plug some external monitoring system if you wanted to, like a screen or something. Also a USB connection. This is to power the device. So this is the actual device. It is made of plastic. Other plastic dash cams I've used do feel quite light and cheap. This doesn't feel very light and it doesn't feel cheap. It does have the plastic buttons on the bottom there as well. They are clicky, but it doesn't feel like a cheap dash cam. Fits in the palm of my hand, so it's not too big. So let me show you what you get in the box. Okay, so this is the box it comes in. And you have a couple of compartments, dash cams in there, and all your accessories are within here. So you get cable clips and a little plastic tool there. I'm not entirely sure what this tool is for. I haven't had to use it because I haven't properly routed my cables around in my car for this dash cam. So you get a suction cap, which I do prefer suction caps instead of these adhesive stickers. It's got a lock mechanism. You twist the lock, and an adjustable knob there to adjust angles. The dashcam mount goes directly on the top. In here, slide it in, there's no click. And that's it. Normal, typical dashcam design with a suction pad straight onto your windscreen. Easy. So you get a cigarette lighter with two USB connectors in. Normally they're all in one, molded into the connector, but this is pretty handy and you could probably use it to charge other devices in your car as well. And you get a massive 2-meter cable, which you can route through your car. I have it plugged in at the moment into a charger, and that goes in there. So we have power at the moment. When you do provide power to the camera, it will start recording automatically as soon as you start the engine, but it's asking me to insert a card. Okay, micro SD card is in. Let me replicate powering on dashcam. Power to the dashcam, and it will start recording immediately. Top left hand corner, the red dot flashing, which is good. Okay, let me show you through the menu. So we have 5 buttons along the bottom of the dash cam, and the left one is the menu button. Within here you have the up arrow and down arrow. So resolution, these are the resolutions you have available. Now it's a 4K camera and it's 2880 by 2160. Now if you Google 4K, the actual resolution is 3840 by 2160. There is obviously some element of 4K in this dash cam, and the quality is good. It's at 24 frames per second as well. There's the frames per second just on the side there. And I am impressed with the quality of this dash cam. It even got 60 frames per second at 1080p, and it does produce 60 frames per second. When you check the details of the video files, it is 60 FPS. It's even got 120 frames per second at 720p. Loop recording, 5, 3, 10 minutes or off. Exposure, motion detection. This is good. Motion detection, okay? Turn it on, you can have your camera on, and when it detects anything moving in front of the camera or any sort of movement, it will start recording. Parking mode. Parking mode on or off. So if you do experience any bumps in parking mode, it will start recording. You have the record audio option, date stamp, GPS stamp, on or off. G sensor, so you can adjust the sensitivity. I've left it as medium, and speed unit depending where you are. I did have it on kilometers an hour for a while, then I've changed it to miles per hour. You'll see on the videos as well, because these are stamped on the bottom of the video along with the time as well. So you can see what speed you're doing with this dash cam. Okay, so motion detection is pretty difficult to show you in here, because as soon as I stop it, it detects the slightest of movement, it starts recording again. See, the recording started again, so let's stop it. If I move it around, it'll start recording again. See, obviously it's a lot better when you're stationary and you've got the dash cam securely fitted to your windscreen. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to turn motion detection off now, because it does work. There we go. Okay, so parking sensor is on. So if we turn this off, but still have it plugged in. Now if I shake this a little bit, or sort of reenact the car being bumped, it should turn on and start recording. There we go, detected that. And it's recording. As you can see, there is a key at the bottom there. That securely locks that video file. So there is another menu within here. If you press the menu button twice, you can turn on Wi-Fi, set the date and time, time zone settings, auto power off, backlight, beep sound, which I've still got on, and I'm going to turn off. It's annoying. Language. You can also put your license plate in there, which I don't really understand why. You can change the frequency, check your storage space, format it, and reset to default settings. And you get the version checker there as well. Let's turn Wi-Fi on. So you get given there the information, you get the SSID, and the default password is 12345678. Now you need to download an app called Lucky Cam on your smartphone. Okay, so I'm connected to the camera. Open the app Lucky Cam. And we are now connected. Let's have a look at me. There I am. There's a slight delay, probably like a split second, just spinning that round. But from here you can start recording, stop recording, you can go to photo mode. And take a photo. The other great thing is settings. Camera settings. Well, most of the settings that you set on the camera you can actually do within the app here. You can change photo resolution. You have photo settings there. It's only showing photo settings because we're in photo mode, but if you switch it back to video mode and go to settings, then you have your video resolution. Loads of different resolutions there, all the way up to 4K. Yeah, so you're not starved of settings there. A lot to play around with. App settings as well, you've got nothing much there. A local folder where you can probably download and store some of the files from the camera. View the videos and pictures on the camera. There's a folder button down the bottom there. You can access all the videos and pictures. Try here. There we go. Can we do it landscape? Oh, we can. There we go, look. So there's a view. So great quality that is. You can also see the timestamp, date stamp, also the speed as which I was going miles per hour. At the top there, top right, you have a bin to delete it, or you can download it directly to your phone. But the quality, guys, on this dash cam is great. Really, really impressed. And I think that's where I'm going to leave it now. So I'm going to show you some footage now, guys, mainly of daytime driving with different resolutions, 1080p and 4K. They're the sort of resolutions I mix between. I did some nighttime driving as well, just a little bit of nighttime. And the camera did pick up quite a lot of detail in there, but I think it could be a little bit better at night. That's the only thing that I think could be improved on this dash cam is night vision mode when driving at night. Most of the time you can see where I'm going, you can see cars, you can just about make out number plates and some areas of that. But I was driving with the 4K setting at 24 frames per second. Maybe it would be better at night mode on 1080p at 60 frames per second. It'll be a lot smoother as well. But that is the Azdome 4K dashcam. Very impressed. It's only £60 on Amazon at the moment. Definitely recommend you go and take a look. Here are some clips. I'd love to know your thoughts. Please comment down below, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you very soon. Thanks for watching. Okay, so let's see what this dashcam can do at night time.
BBC Radio 1 is 20 to 8 Monday morning. Good morning, Sinead.
Hello.
Hiya.
Hi.
How are ya?
Chilly today.
Little chilly. What? How are you chilly?
Around season, I've never seen 60,000 people wait so patiently for someone to go to the toilet. ... Twice.
Twice.
So his fans are very polite. That's nice.
Do you know what I do think about though when pop stars are up there? And they're up there for hours. Like they never burp. Like they never sort of get the hiccups. They never sneeze.
But Ed Sheeran's got that story about when something happened on stage.
What happened?
He thought it was going to be a bit of wind, if you like.
No, it wasn't. Oh, Ed.
Reporter, working for a station there, explained that because of his achievement, he got the special prize of being able to choose a song. So this is it.
If he scores a hat-trick, he can choose a song. So feel free. Which one you like to hear?
Oh, One Kiss, Calvin Harris, and
Mars is colder than here, isn't it? Yeah. We're not on Mars then. The sun. Jackie, where are you in the world and what are you up to today?
I'm in Andover and I am currently, well, I'm on my way to work. I work with a lot of sweet.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
I'm a warehouse manager.
Yes.
And of a sweet company. So
Oh,
yeah, I'm
yeah.
surrounded by them. Yeah.
Oh, nice. Do you nick any? No?
I mean, I get them free, but I'm kind of sick of them now.
Oh, yeah, there is. Anyway.
Yeah, there is loads.
Jackie, when you are managing sweets and you're listening to Radio 1, do you normally like to trust in me or do you like to live life on the edge, Jackie? Your mouth's full of peanut butter and you're like, screw it, let's gamble.
I'm very much on the edge. Very much. Yeah. It's always a gamble.
Alright, well, today, here's how it's going to work. I've got a song I want to get on. If you don't like it, we can go for a celebrity gamble. The celebrities on offer today are Shawn Mendes, Rita Ora, and Alex Brooker from The Last Leg. So 3 good celebrities there, 3 of our favourite guests. But will they have a song that you like more than this? I got enemies, gotta like. And what we've got on this Tuesday morning. Alright, it's Alex Brooker.
Hey, it's Shawn Mendes.
Hey, what's up? It's Rita Ora.
Good morning.
Morning, Grimmy.
What's up, Nick?
Morning, Grimmy.
Morning.
Hey, Grimmy, it's Shawn Mendes here. The song I'd like to hear on the Radio 1 Breakfast Show is Friends by Anne-Marie and Marshmallow. Thanks, man.
Yeah, that's the tune.
Thank you, Jackie. I was Shawn in the rush there. I want Anne-Marie. Thanks, bye. Jackie, have a great day. Thank you.
Thanks, bye.
You say you love me, I say you crazy.